Everybody, welcome to today's video. I'm actually at the shop, dropped some money off for the Honda build. Been stacking cash. Of course, I got a ton of Subarus. I feel like they always do. Let's see if my car is flat. Car's outside, if it's still inside. Might be in the back. It's not outside anymore, so let's go drop these two racks on it. That's a nice track on too. Drop these two racks on it. S2K, I keep seeing the man. It's a sign, dude. He actually has stop tech brakes on it too. Badass. Yeah, so let's go, and then we have the clan. Let's go drop some money on the build. Yo! There goes my boy Zach. He said he's S2K and moving to S2K. He said that one's for sale. Interesting. Got a brand new ABT motor, coilovers, brakes. Interesting. Here we go. New dipstick, new gasket, new timing set. There's the R18 studs. Here's the old spring and retainers. The old ones. Only other problem is right here. This is where the engine mat goes. That kind of broke off, but we're gonna fix that. Coils that melted, like I said, there's a brand new set of coils right there. And then just in case I didn't record it, there's a fully built head right here. Is the car unlocked so I can see the motor? And then it's all put together. It's a fully built head, spring retainers, keepers. It is decked, but I can't pick it up. Not with one hand anyways, but yeah, there's a fully built head. To unlock the car. Something else I want to show you that's pretty awesome. If they have look at this RT truck right here. Guys, yes, it's freaking pro charge, supercharged, freaking awesome. But that's the car they're working on. It's the S2000 they moved. We get him to show, lift the head up. There's my front bumper right there. S2K want to buy? Yeah, I might buy his. We'll see. And then there it is. Oh, there's a dipstick. And there's a dipstick right there. They have to have made it. Everything's good on it. Short block, thank God. Paid a lot of money for that shit. But excited. That's what I was going to ask you. Would it be easier now? Obviously, probably going to say yes. To do a built short block now? Wes is coming back? Or is it about the same?
Yes and no. You can start taking it all the way apart.
So either way, you still have to
get it bored.
I gotcha. It'll be next year. We'll do that next year. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So you can see, I'm not joking. Guys are asking me if it's actually taken apart. Yeah. And then here's a sticker. Yeah, I didn't forget that. They can put stickers on. Hide stickers on when he fixes cars. But yeah, so I think sometime next week is when they're gonna go and start putting everything back together. So you got everything.
That's our plan.
And I paid, and then the mount was like right here is what you're talking about.
Right here.
Bolted right there? Yeah. So tell them, don't forget to tell them to go ahead and order that shit. We get that shit done. Yep, so we get that shit done. But yep, you guys go. You guys asking for an update on it. That's it.
Old oil.
That's the oil? That looks nice. I like how you just keep it in here. I like how you just keep it in there like that. You don't really just drop it in there like that.
Yeah, before it goes back together, it's all gonna get cleaned and
yeah, okay, I figured that.
Up.
That's crazy, man. That's the only souvenir I got, guys. I told them to save all the damaged parts so I can show it to you, but I guess they had the head had to go. That's the main thing. But he said he might have some pictures of the head, so if he's got some pictures of the head, I'm definitely post them in this video because I want to see how fucked up the head was because they said it was warped. So, but thank God the short block's good. Thank God.
It is good.
Thank God. But I was worried about that. When you said the head was warped, I was like, well, what about the short block? And I'm not trying to buy another short block. I did this once. All right? But cool. All right, guys. There's your update. I'm glad the head's done at least. That was pretty awesome. I expect the head to be done. But hopefully about another week or two, probably I'll give about 2 or 3 weeks to be put back together. We'll be good to go. Cool. All right, time to go. I have to thank all sides. Again, that's a brief video for you guys. As far as what's going on with the head, you guys got to see the head put together. There's a Subaru going by. You guys got to see the fully built head put together. Everything's good to go. They'll probably have it back together. They said like a week or 2 weeks or whatever. The main portion of it is done, which is obviously the head portions you guys got to see. I want to give you guys an update. Pay some money. Got to pay a little bit more money. We'll get it down. You guys got to see the Honda what it looks like now, and there's a I guess this is not STI, it's a regular, yeah, maybe like the STI wing. But yeah, as you guys know, there's a Civic shop, so I'm gonna take off again. I'm just trying to give you guys a little update on what's going on with the Honda, the condition of it, as far as the head's already put together, which is awesome. I wasn't expecting that. So it's pretty much just gotta find a time to reinstall everything. So again, don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, I posted down below. Any comments, let me know. See you guys next video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Helps me out the algorithm. Later, guys. Finished. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that footage of the head. I'm currently cooking spaghetti from scratch, getting everything going. But again, it was very exciting to see that the head was actually fully built and done. And you guys can see all the parts that have to be replaced on a good stick to the coils. Might as well go ahead and upgrade the timing chain, etc. And then we found the one boot, the boot that goes underneath the upper motor mount that's actually damaged. So good thing is it's only taken apart, so just simply replace that part. It should be one piece, not two pieces. Now, versus I say no, don't do it, and it blows up on me later. So, like I said, outside is a great shop, very, very good shop, and always take care of me. So again, like I said, I want to give you guys an update. Yeah, we're kicking some garlic too. I want to give you guys an update on the what's going on with the Honda. So all I got to do basically now is I'll put it all back together once they find some time. Put it all back together, and I'll be ready to rock and roll with a fully built head. If you guys have any questions or where I got any parts and etc., anything else like that, including the custom head studs, just post your comments down below. But again, I want to go ahead and finish cooking this spaghetti. Some food for next week or tonight. And if you guys are sports fans watching these playoff games, getting this stuff done. Again, any questions, post down below. See you guys next video. Peace. What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's video. Dog is eating. I finally got the other arcade machine right here. I got the extra one. Been waiting for this one for like 30 plus years. I just got off work. I'm very, very tired. But I got some stuff to do this weekend, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing together. Get together like the Simpsons one we got sitting over there. Not sure what's in store in this one. Again, not gonna show you too much of putting this thing together. I was hoping I could put this thing together in less than 2 hours. We'll see, but I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, take out the box, set it up right here, get it going. It's the one I really wanted, finally came in. So let's go ahead and open up this extra one, get it set up, and get it popping. Alright, since I remember some of this to make it easier, I went ahead and put the base together, the coin door together, and the chair. So I think we're left with is obviously the joypad, the sides, the screen, and the top marquee, pretty much building the cabinet. Yeah, this stuff is the tedious stuff putting together. So now we can go ahead and start assembling the actual cabinet. Woo. Going a lot quicker than the Simpson machine, but still takes time. Like I said, I'm trying to do this real quick before I have to go to work again. I need to get some sleep. Let's get it done. Alright, I got half of it together. You see we're getting there. Yeah. Got the screen all together, marquee, as you guys already saw. All that stuff's over together. Drive sticks and all that stuff together. So, working on mounting the screen in. We're getting there. Almost done. Yeah, almost done. Funny. It's coming together. Had one issue. One piece of wood was drilled incorrectly, so had to turn it backwards, but we're getting there. Coming together. Look at me, running out of time almost for work. Jeez. To be back up in 2 hours. Almost got it done. Woo! Got it constructed. Alright, let's push towards the end. And get it on the wall. Alright, here we go. Got it together. Just gotta power it up and put it on its stand. Woo! God, about to have to go to work. I'm not gonna get any sleep, man. No sleep. Alright, let's get this done so I can at least try to get an hour. I have to go do it all again for 16. Alright, here we go, and it's all set up. Heck yeah. Let's go ahead and start X-Men. Let's go ahead and turn the lights off. So you can see. Oh, there's that light on it. Throw this stuff away. Now you can see it. The marquee. Love it. Whatever. Let's get the game started. There you go. I think the volume's off. Yeah. Yeah, it's getting the vibes of the arcade. Yeah, can't forget the stool right here. There you go. And there we go. It's completely set up with the stool. Alright, I gotta go to sleep. Normally it's rant, but here you go, it's all set up. Thought it was gonna take less than 4 hours. Yeah, okay. Still 4 hours to put it together. But alright guys, I don't know if I'm gonna make this part of a video. I don't think this might not be long enough to be its own video for this. So if not, I'm just gonna include it as bonus footage at the end of another video. But yes, we have the X-Men arcade machine set up, and then we also have the Simpsons one set up as well. So, okay, don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you have any other questions, post it down below. I'm going to bed now because I have to get up in like 2 hours later. Peace. X-Men.